What if I say you can make up to $2,000 potential passive income with high-quality 8K viral videos with simple text prompts? Hello, one-clickers. Welcome back to the channel. Another video making machine. Today, we'll dive deep into AI VidForest, a single AI-powered platform that claims to craft studio-grade cinematic, animated, and whiteboard videos in 50+ style. No editing skills needed, all in just 60 seconds. Sounds alien, right? Is the tool actually this good? Let's find out. As unreal as it might sound, but the star-studded features effortlessly back the tool. AI-powered video creation. Instantly turn text prompts or voice input into cinematic, cartoon, explainer, and social media videos using advanced AI. 50+ language support. Want to go global? This tool lets you generate voiceovers and scripts in dozens of languages to connect with any audience. 8K and 4K rendering. No pixelated frames here? Export your videos in ultra-high definition for a polished, pro-level look. Zero learning curve. No editing or tech skills? No problem. The dashboard is designed for complete beginners. All-in-one video styles. Whether you're making trailers, ads, animations, or whiteboard explainers, there's a template and AI model ready for it. The feature list is solid, but how powerful is it really when you hit generate? Even the absolute beginners are confidently claiming that making money with AI VidForest is a cakewalk. Let us verify. Step 1, log in, pick your video style, cartoon, cinematic, or ad. No tools, no hassle. Step 2, create with AI, enter a prompt, hit generate, and watch the magic unfold. Step 3, export and earn. Download, publish, or sell. Go viral, get paid. The best part? The Pro Unlimited version of the app is priced at just $14.95. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund. No questions asked. So, is AI VidForest worth the $15? If you're into animation, want to sell videos online, or just love letting AI do the heavy lifting, then yes, AI VidForest is definitely worth a look. But here's the catch. The launch period won't last forever, and prices could go up soon. So, if you're interested, grab your copy now while it's still at the lowest price. Links in the description.